Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can check your viewing history on Bigo Live. For example, if you're on Bigo Live and you're watching a stream and you go back by mistake and refresh it and you forget which stream it was, so you can easily check the history of your view. So how to do that? It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First of all, open up the Bigo Live mobile application right now. Once you do open it up, now what you need to do is the homepage of Bigo Live should appear here. Now if you want to check your viewing history, you cannot just simply go to your account and check from there because there is no option such as. So how to do that? As you can see at the top right is the bell icon. Simply tap on that bell icon and there you will get the reminders. But if you want to see the viewing history, at the top right is the clock. Simply tap on that and you can see it says the viewing history. All of these is my viewing history, and that is how you can easily see your viewing history of your previous views on Bigo Live. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.